everybody. So we're back and I'm Gypsy Joe, your gracious host. And today we're going to be doing a couple of different batches that I'm going to break into a couple different videos. The first video is going to be just us. We're creating I have my oils here. They've all been liquefied, combined together, then solidified, like in a master batch situation. I've just been pulling oils from the gigantic lot of oils that I've already mixed together as much as I need. So the first batch is actually going to fill these cute silicone molds for waffle. They should be really, really cute soaps, I think, at least I hope anyway. And they'll be scented with my seasonal scent this year. It is Pumpkin Butter Chia by Crafter's Choice. It smells really, really good. The first note of it is really the pumpkin, but very close second is butter, which you would never think that butter has an actual smell, but really when you do smell this, yes, absolutely, you can tell, oh, that's butter. All right, so I added some salts to my lye water solution, and I think I got too much salt in there. I'm having a hard time getting it all to mix in the bottom there. So I'm just gonna keep stirring it for a little bit, but I'm not too worried if it's not all mixed in like this. There's just a little bit floating at the bottom or sinking to the bottom. I'll just continue to mix my oils once I pour the lye water in to try and incorporate all that salt. This fragrance does have 4% vanilla in it. It is going to turn a maybe light tan or a light brown tan. And that's perfect because that's exactly the color of waffles. I'm not really going to color it. I'm not going to add any mica, anything like that. I feel like it's going to be just fine the color that it's going to discolor to. I am going to add some butter and some mica drizzle as maple syrup. That should be super cute. I am so excited. Okay, we're gonna let these sit for 24 hours or so and pull them out, and we'll see you back then. I did go ahead and pour those waffle soaps into the silicone waffle molds, and they did turn out super cute. It's just regular soap, you know, but they're shaped like waffles. How cute. But we're gonna go ahead and make some little butter pats that look something like this. How cute is that? Waffles that have some cute little butter on there, and then we're gonna make some melt and pour drizzle for the syrup. I went ahead and mixed up some very butter yellow soap dough and I just put down some cornstarch on a little plastic sheet here, some cellophane. I choose to do it on this plastic sheet because I don't want to clean up a huge mess of cornstarch. It's not necessary, but I just had them, they were used anyway, so why not? So I'm just gonna get a little cornstarch here on both sides. Not too much because I don't want it to be, because I don't want it to discolor the soap dough. I want it that nice creamy butter color. Okay, perfect. Now I've got it still at a decent thickness here, so we're gonna go ahead and fold our little plastic piece over, and I'm actually gonna add another plastic piece here, and I'm gonna take my smallest cutter. These are Wilton cutters, actually. It's for fondant. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it right there, push down. And as you can see, it makes a cute little pat of butter. How cute. How cute is that? We're just gonna put those right on top of the soap. And because we put the two pieces of plastic over it when we cut it, it does make nice rounded smooth surface. So it looks like butter. How cute. Okay, on to the next step.